Hello viewers, Scott here from Active Automotive. Today I'm going to show you our Toyota Verso. This is a V-matic XL, 1.8, 145 brake horsepower petrol. The gearbox is CVT, which is continually variable transmission, so basically an automatic. It's got full franchise service history and 2 keys, and it's only had 2 owners in its little life. These little lights are LED daytime running lights. They're quite sharp and responsive. Lovely alloys on it, rare privacy glass as standard. Not just the privacy glass, if you open it up you'll actually have these little blinds which you can put when the kiddies have the sun glaring in their eyes. So absolutely lovely condition for its age and really good mileage to boot. It's on a 13 plate. I'll show you the mileage in a second. So I've left the back row seats up. Obviously this is a 7-seater. In this little crevice the parcel shelf fits in there like a glove, and there's a foam kit in here so you don't have a spare wheel. It's part leather and cloth, pattern cloth upholstery, very nice condition. And there's your back seats, very nice. Also got food trays in the back there so the kids can have their little din-dins on the holiday and whatever. And there's your front seats. As I say, the car's in lovely condition. All you have to do is make sure that the key's in your pocket. The car will recognize that you have the key. So it's an engine start, foot on the brake and start the car. It's got electronically adjustable mirrors and electronic fold-in mirrors as well. It's got the Tiptronic paddle shift gears as well. If you want to change the gears, it's got cruise control on the steering wheel. Also automatic lights and automatic windscreen wipers. You've got your drinks holders, and then your quite a large crevice which has got a divider on it so you can keep loads of stuff in there. It's got USB and auxiliary on the side of the console. So you've got your CVT gearbox. You just shove it in reverse and hey presto, you've got a reverse camera as well. And then you can either stick it in normal drive position. There's a sport button, makes the car more responsive, or you can flick it over to the right and change the gears that way, or you can change the gears with a flappy paddle gearbox. It's completely up to you. So the car's got dual climate control. I've just shown you the reverse camera. It's got DAB radio and Bluetooth media, so you can play all your music on your phone via Bluetooth. It's also got AM FM radio and anti-chromatic rear view mirror. So it's very nicely spec'd, and it's only done 31,985 miles. So fantastic value for money. We are always one of the cheapest on Auto Trader, and this car is absolutely exceptional. So yeah, come on down. You get a 3-month gold RAC warranty, which incorporates 12 months free breakdown cover. You have the option of buying a 1 year or buy 2 years, get a 3rd year free. This car will qualify for the Platinum, which is all mechanical, all electrical, and that price is only £399 for 3 years cover. It's ridiculous value for money. 01933 224 222, or you can have a look at all of our other cars on all the W's, activeautomotive.co.uk. We also do excellent rates of finance through our finance partner Motor Nova. So come on down, we're waiting for your call.